The first episode of Planet Earth, titled From Pole to Pole, serves as an introduction to the series, highlighting the extreme environments and remarkable adaptations of wildlife across the planet. The episode begins in the harshest of all environments, Antarctica during its winter. Here, male emperor penguins encounter arguably the most severe challenge of any animal on Earth. As temperatures plunge to a staggering minus 70 degrees Celsius and the continent is plunged into 4 months of total darkness, these resilient birds endure the brutal conditions to protect their single egg, balanced on their feet and kept warm beneath their bodies. Throughout this period, the penguins have no access to food or water, surviving solely on their fat reserves. This extraordinary commitment ensures the survival of the next generation, making the emperor penguin's endurance a testament to the resilience of life in extreme conditions. As the episode shifts from the Antarctic winter to the Arctic spring, we witness a different kind of struggle for survival. The sun returns to the high Arctic, bringing light and warmth after 4 months of darkness. This marks the beginning of a new season and a new chapter in the lives of polar bears. A mother polar bear emerges from her den after months of hibernation, bringing her cubs into a world of thawing ice. These cubs, seeing the world for the first time, must quickly adapt to the challenges of their environment. The mother, weakened by her long fast, is desperate to reach the sea ice where she can hunt seals to feed her cubs. However, the rapidly melting ice poses a significant threat, as she must reach it before it breaks up. The episode captures the urgency of the polar bear situation as the cubs struggle to keep up with their mother in a race against time. The narrative then moves to northern Canada, where we follow one of the most remarkable migrations on Earth, the journey of 3 million caribou across the Arctic tundra. This is the longest overland migration of any animal, spanning over 2,000 miles. Packs of wolves pursue the caribou as they move in search of fresh pastures. The episode vividly portrays the harsh realities of life on the tundra, showing a dramatic chase where a wolf targets a newborn calf. The young caribou must outrun the predator, navigating treacherous terrain where even the smallest mistake could be fatal. This intense struggle between predator and prey illustrates the delicate balance of life in the Arctic. In contrast to the vast, open spaces of the tundra, the episode also explores the dense forests of eastern Russia, home to the world's rarest cat, the Amur leopard. With only about 40 individuals remaining in the wild, the Amur leopard is on the brink of extinction, primarily due to habitat destruction. The leopard's plight is emblematic of the fragility of our natural heritage, a poignant reminder of the impact of human activity on the planet's biodiversity. The episode captures the solitary existence of a female leopard and her cub, struggling to find food in the harsh winter landscape where prey is scarce. The episode also touches on the phenomenon of mass migration, showcasing the Baikal teal, a species that migrates from Siberia to Korea. In an awe-inspiring scene, 300,000 Baikal teal, representing the entire global population of the species, take to the skies in a single flock. The scale and coordination required for survival in the natural world, where changing seasons and the need for food and shelter drive entire populations, is a testament to this remarkable event. The episode then takes us to the tropics, where life flourishes in stark contrast to the challenges faced in polar regions. The tropical rainforest, which covers only 3% of the Earth's surface, is home to an astonishing 50% of the world's species. Here, the sun's energy is constant, fueling the jungle's growth and supporting an incredible diversity of life. In the dense canopies of New Guinea, we witness the elaborate courtship displays of the birds of paradise. These birds, with their vibrant plumage and intricate dances, are a striking example of the beauty and diversity of life in the tropics. The male birds meticulously prepare their display areas, performing for the females in hopes of securing a mate, a process that underscores the complexity and competitiveness of life in the jungle. The sun's influence extends beyond the land, shaping life in the oceans as well. Waves and currents bring nutrients to the surface, bathing them in sunlight, creating the richest marine environments. One such area is the seas off South Africa's coast, where the combination of nutrient-rich waters and sunlight creates a fertile environment for marine life. Here, in the summer, seals gather to breed, attracting one of the ocean's most formidable predators, the great white shark. Once the seals have finished breeding, the great whites will move on, migrating thousands of miles across the ocean to follow seasonal abundances of prey. Another remarkable story from Africa is the migration of thousands of animals in search of water during the dry season in the Kalahari Desert. Among them are elephants, which travel great distances to reach the swamps of the Okavango Delta. The vast inland oasis becomes a lifeline for these animals as water from distant rains finally arrives, transforming the arid landscape into a lush paradise. The episode portrays the elephants' determination as they trek across the desert, driven by their instinctual need to survive. With the arrival of water comes a season of abundance, attracting a multitude of species to the delta, including birds, buffalo, and the elusive lechwe antelope, all of which are uniquely adapted to life in the wetlands. The episode also highlights the remarkable adaptability of African hunting dogs, which are among the most efficient predators on the continent. In the arid landscape of Africa, these dogs work together in packs to hunt impala. The episode captures a well-coordinated hunt, where the dogs use their teamwork to encircle and chase down their prey. Despite their success, the episode reveals the fragility of their existence, as hunting dogs are now among Africa's rarest mammals, facing threats from habitat loss and human conflict. The influence of the sun is a recurring theme throughout the episode, driving not only the changing seasons, but also the global weather systems that shape life on Earth. The episode illustrates how the sun's energy fuels the growth of forests, powers the monsoon rains that bring life to vast regions, and creates the winds that carry sand from the Sahara across the globe to fertilize the Amazon rainforest. These interconnected systems highlight the delicate balance of life on our planet, as well as the importance of the sun in sustaining it. The episode concludes by returning to Antarctica, where the sun finally rises after 4 months of darkness, bringing light and warmth to the frozen continent. After enduring the long, harsh winter, the male emperor penguins finally reap the rewards as their eggs begin to hatch. The arrival of the sun signals the start of a new chapter in the lives of these remarkable birds as they prepare to raise their chicks in the brief but intense Antarctic summer. This cyclical return of the sun, marking the end of one season and the beginning of another, serves as a powerful reminder of the resilience of life on Earth and the interconnectedness of all living things. Overall, From Pole to Pole serves as a compelling introduction to the Planet Earth series, showcasing the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the challenges faced by different species in their struggle for survival. Through stunning cinematography and insightful narration, the episode emphasizes the importance of preserving our planet's natural heritage and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth.